If you want to offload the Mail app on your iPhone, this is going to be simple and quick. I am going to break down everything step by step so you know exactly what you are doing and what to expect. First, what you're going to want to do is open the Settings app right here on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. Now your phone will load all the apps and show how much space each one is using. Scroll down and look for the Mail app. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, one important thing you should know. If you do not see the Offload app option for the Mail app, that is normal. Apple Mail is a built-in iOS system app, so it cannot be fully offloaded or removed like third-party apps. Instead, what you are going to want to do is manage the storage differently. You can delete email accounts to clear downloaded data. You can change your email sync settings to download less mail. Or you can use iCloud so your data is stored in the cloud instead of taking up space on your phone. One option is to remove email accounts. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Apps, and then look for Mail. After this, tap Accounts. Select the account you want to remove. Tap Delete Account. This will remove synced mail and attachments from your device, but not from the email server, so your emails are still safe online. Another thing you can do is empty the trash folder. Open the Mail app. Go to the trash folder. Tap Edit. Then tap Delete All. This permanently removes deleted messages from local storage. Make sure you check before deleting so you do not remove something important. If you really need maximum space, you can go back to iPhone storage and instead of choosing Offload App, choose Delete App. This will remove the app and all associated local data completely. That would free up the most space. Anyways, that is how you offload the Mail app and what it actually does. Make sure you decide whether you just want to offload or fully delete based on how much storage you need. If you have any other questions, ask in the comments and I would be happy to help.